Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Python and Visual Studio Code. We'll dive into their individual strengths and how they contribute to a robust development workflow. Python, a powerful language, offers a vast ecosystem, while VS Code provides a highly customizable and efficient editor. We'll explore how these two essential tools interact, enhancing productivity for developers across various projects. This comparison will help you understand their unique contributions to your coding journey. Python's ecosystem is incredibly vast, boasting over 400,000 packages available on PyPI, covering everything from web development with Django to machine learning with TensorFlow. Its clear syntax allows for rapid development, often requiring significantly fewer lines of code compared to other languages. The robust community provides extensive documentation and support, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced developers. Virtual environments ensure project dependencies remain isolated and manageable. Visual Studio Code stands out as a highly customizable and efficient editor. With its vast extension marketplace, you can tailor your environment precisely, adding features like advanced debugging tools, intelligent code completion, and integrated Git source control. The official Python extension alone has been downloaded over 100 million times, offering features like pylons for type checking and Jupyter notebook support. Its lightweight design ensures quick startup times and smooth performance, even with complex projects. The true power emerges when Python's rich ecosystem is combined with VS Code's exceptional development environment. VS Code provides the perfect platform to harness Python's strengths, offering seamless integration for virtual environments, package management, and testing frameworks. This powerful synergy allows developers to write, debug, and deploy applications with remarkable efficiency. It's a highly productive combination, enabling you to tackle projects ranging from small scripts to large-scale enterprise solutions with confidence and speed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.